recently got engaged, so we were looking for a family home for our first home.
We built the Edgewood 23 from Carlisle Homes Easy Living range.
It was perfect for us. Our family and friends really loved the design and layout of the Edgewood 23, especially that the bedrooms are all hidden away privately, separate from the open living space out here.
We love the theatre room. We can watch movies in there, play games. It's like a little getaway in our own home.
We did a lot of research considering we were first home buyers. It was a bit daunting in the beginning, but once we went round all the builders and then we went through Carlisle Homes, they were so helpful from the beginning.
Weekly updates from the site supervisor, and any little thing we need help with, they were there to help 24/7.
Our sales consultant, our CLE, they were just so genuine and helpful throughout the entire experience. It was a very easy decision to go with Carlisle Homes. We really love the kitchen, which is what attracted us to the home. We both love to cook, so there's plenty of space for that, and we love the finishes that were already included as part of the standard inclusions. When looking to build our new home, we really wanted an easy process. Carlisle Homes definitely delivered that. We would recommend Carlisle Homes to our friends and family. We already have. We're also building a second home through Carlisle Homes as well.